Hello and welcome. So what had been on my mind was these backdrops, Chiara, I think how you pronounce them. So I went to go look them up, and let's look at these prices. $349, $299, $79, $349, $299. I think that's a no, and I think I can make them myself. So I went straight to Lowe's, and I got these Polypro insulation foam boards for $7.98 a piece. And I had this lovely gentleman cut them down so that the remainder would be 6 feet so it could fit in my car for transport. All right, y'all, I was worried it wouldn't fit in there, but it did. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna drive a little bit. It is pretty flexible, but it's gonna be up above my head just a little bit, but we're gonna figure it out. Right here, I'm just cutting some off the side to make it a little bit slimmer. It's up to you how thick or how thin or how slim or how wide you want your Chiara backdrops to be. I made mine this way because I just like the slimmer look. Now I'm sketching out my arch top part. I wanted mine to be more surfboard like, so I made the arch a little bit more sharper than some. And once you cut out one, you just lay it down to trace out the other. I will suggest that you trace them out the same height and then cut the height from the bottom to get the desired height. Like right there, I slid it down too far, so it was too short for my liking. But just a word of advice, cut it the same height and then cut from the bottom to make it shorter. And this is what they came out looking like. And don't worry about those knee prints and hand prints. They will be covered with the wallpaper. So this is the wallpaper that I'm using. I got it from Amazon. I will put it in the description box down below. So I'm just peeling off the paper, sliding it under to make sure that it has that wrap look, that all the sides are covered in the color and there is no white showing, and you just peel it back. Then you repeat the process for the other side to make sure that it is covered as well. All right, for the last one, I want to get a little spicy. So I got this backdrop and I was going to wrap it around the board, and I thought I was gonna be creative and use stick pins just to stick it in the foam board like a bulletin board, but that did not work out at all. The stick pins did not stay, and it was too hot outside for me to stay outside, so I moved my talents inside. Alright, so I ended up cutting 2 sections off, one pink and one gold, and then I just hot glued it onto the foam board, and that's the first layer. And then I hot glued another one on top. I'm just showing you how I'm just gonna lay that on top again, and I just kept doing that until I got the board completely filled. Then I added a couple of balloons to spice it up, and there you have your Chiara backdrop. This is what they looked like inside for my party. They were a great accent, and they also covered up my little sunroom. So they were gorgeous inside as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think.